Have you ever said something in English and the other person looked confused? Maybe they raised an eyebrow. Maybe they waited. Maybe they said, what do you mean? Yes? Don't worry. It happens to everyone. Here's a small story. Last week, a student told me proudly, "Henry, I cooked my homework." I laughed so hard. Why? Because he wanted to say, "I did my homework." But he mixed up the verbs. Cooked sounds fun, but not correct. We all make mistakes. I make mistakes in other languages too. It is normal. It is human. But today, my friend, I will help you stop the most common English mistakes. The mistakes almost every learner makes. The mistakes you can fix today, right now, with simple tips. And yes, before we start, if you enjoy this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps a lot, and it tells me you want more simple, friendly English lessons. All right, let's begin. Let's fix those mistakes. And let's make your English stronger. Introduction. Hi there, my friend. I'm Henry. Welcome to Confident English Cast, the place where English feels simple, warm, and easy. I have taught English for 25 years. I have taught beginners, travelers, workers, and dreamers. And guess what? Everyone makes the same mistakes. Really, everyone. So today, we will look at the most common mistakes and learn how to fix them with clear, easy examples. No grammar stress, no long explanations, just simple English. Real English. Useful English. Ready? Good. Let's jump in. Why talk about mistakes? Because mistakes can stop communication. They can create confusion. They can make you feel shy. And they can make English feel difficult. But when you fix small mistakes, your English becomes clear. People understand you fast. You feel proud. You feel confident. Think of it like cleaning your glasses. Your vision becomes clear. Everything becomes sharp. You feel more sure. Today, we will clean your English glasses. The main idea. Explained simply. Most mistakes come from two things. Thinking in your language. Using the wrong small words. Yes, small words cause big problems. Words like in, on, at, to, for, do, did, does, have, has, a, the. Tiny words, but very powerful. So we will focus on those, and I will show you how to fix them with short, simple examples. All right? Let's go. The top 5 common English mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake 1. He go, she go, it go. Many learners say, he go to school, she eat rice, it make noise. But in English, we add s for he, she, and it. So the correct sentences are, he goes to school, she eats rice, it makes noise. Simple tip. Think of the S as a small gift. He, she, and it always need a gift. So give them the S. Mistake 2. I am agree. This is very common. Learners say, I am agree. But that is not correct. The correct form is I agree. No, am. Why? Because agree is already a verb. Think of it like this. I am happy. Adjective, I agree. Verb. Different jobs, different forms. Real life example. Your friend says, let's eat pizza. You say, yes, I agree. Easy, right? Mistake 3. I am boring. When you mean, I am bored. These two words confuse many people. Boring, so something makes you feel bored, bored equals your feeling. So, I am bored. Correct. The movie is boring. Correct. If you say, I am boring, it means you are not interesting. And I promise, you are not boring. You are wonderful. So just say, I am bored. Mistake 4. Using in instead of at. People often say, I am in home. I am in work. But we say, I am at home. I am at work. Think of at as a specific spot. Home is a spot. Work is a spot. School is a spot. Examples. I am at home. I am at school. I am at work. But you say, I am in the kitchen. I am in the car. I am in the park. Why? Because these are places you are physically inside. Quick tip. If it has walls, use in. If it does not have walls, try at. Mistake 5. I will go yesterday, or mixing time words. Time words are tricky. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. Many learners mix them with wrong verbs. Examples. I will go yesterday. I go tomorrow already. I am go yesterday. Correct forms. Yesterday I went. Today I am going. Tomorrow I will go. Simple rule. Past X went. Now I'm going. Future equals will go. Say it with me. Yesterday, went today, am going tomorrow. Will go. Great. Step-by-step tips. 5 actionable ideas. Tip 1. Use the slow mouth trick. Say sentences slowly. Feel the words. Hear the sound. For example, he goes to work. When you speak slowly, you notice mistakes. You fix them fast. Try this every morning. Take one sentence. Say it slowly. Then say it faster. It works. Trust me. Tip 2. Listen to yourself. Record your voice. Just 10 seconds. Maybe you say, I go to school every day. Then listen. Ask yourself, is it correct? Do I need the S? Do I need the right verb? You will hear your mistakes, and you will correct them. It's like cleaning your mirror. Tip 3. Use short sentences. Short sentences are powerful. Short sentences are clean. Short sentences are easy. Many mistakes come from long sentences. So start small. I am happy. I like this. I want coffee. Then build. I want hot coffee. I want hot coffee now. Small steps, big progress. Tip 4. Learn one correction per day. Just one. Not 10. Not 5. Just one. Maybe today, fix I am agree. Tomorrow, fix he go. Next day, fix in and at. One small win each day makes a big change. Little drops fill a big bucket. Tip 5. Repeat real-life phrases. English grows with practice, not with rules, not with fear. Use real phrases. I agree. I am bored. He goes there. I am at home. Tomorrow, I will go. Say them at home. Say them at work. Say them on the bus. Say them in the shower. Your brain learns through repetition. Small progress. Milestones. After one day, you will notice mistakes more. You will pause. You will think. That is progress. After 1 week, your sentences become cleaner. You add the right S. You use the right words. People understand you faster. After 1 month, you feel confident. You speak with flow. You make fewer mistakes. You correct yourself automatically. And you feel proud. Your English becomes smooth, strong, natural, motivational. Section. Learning English is like learning to ride a bike. At first, you shake. You fall. You feel scared. But every small push makes you better. Every small correction makes your English stronger. You don't need perfect English. You just need clear English. You don't need big words. You need simple, correct words. Remember this. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teacher. They show you the way. Keep going. Keep speaking. Keep learning. You've got this. Practical, daily life applications. You can use today's lesson in real life. At work. He works here. I agree with you. I will send it tomorrow. At home. I am at home now. I am bored. Let's watch something. With friends. He goes to our school. Yesterday, we went shopping. When traveling. Tomorrow, I will go to the city. I am in the hotel now. These phrases are clear. They are simple. They are correct. Use them every day. Quick recap. 5 key points. Add s after he, she, it. Say, I agree, not I am agree. Say, I am bored, not I am boring. Use at home, at work, at school. Match time words with the right tense. Simple rules, strong results. Warm closing message. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope this episode helped you. I hope you feel more confident. And I hope you stop making these small mistakes and start speaking with clarity and joy. Remember, English is a journey. You are walking the path. Every step counts. Come back anytime for more simple, friendly English lessons here at Confident English Cast. Take care, my friend. Keep learning. Keep smiling. And I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.